How to activate debit card on Faysal Bank. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Faysal Bank's debit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is head over to your search bar and search for Faysal Bank. After you search for it, head over to their website, and after you're on their website, on the top you'll find cards. Tap on it. There you can simply choose the debit cards here, or you can choose the debit cards business. So I'll just choose business debit card. You can choose whichever is yours. And after you do that, scroll down here. And under the frequently asked question, you'll find how do I activate my business debit card and generate PIN. So expand on that, and here you can see you can activate your card via WhatsApp and Faysal Digibank app. So for WhatsApp, simply type hi on this number and select card activation, debit card, and then select just provide your required details to activate your card. And for Digibanking, simply log in into your Faysal Bank and select your card module, choose debit card, and then tap on activate tab. After that, enter your ATM pin and validate your OTP card, and it's activated. And yeah, that's how you activate your debit card of your Faisal Bank. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.